Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this, we learn how to show price 0 for a particular item. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration, then Basic Setting. In the Basic Settings, search for Pricing Group. Now click on Add Entry. Add details of the entry and save. Now add current pricing group to an item. Go to Item Overview and edit an item. Click on Activate Price Group and then select Price Group Form drop-down and select pricing group you created. Now save and go to the item page. Refresh the page and changes will appear. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. And also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.